Here are the 10 most dangerous species on Earth, ranked not just by their ability to kill, but by how deadly, aggressive, and unpredictable they are to humans and other animals. 1. Mosquito. Think about this. What's the deadliest animal on Earth? A great white shark? A lion? Maybe a venomous snake? Nope. It's actually something much smaller, the mosquito. These tiny bloodsuckers are responsible for taking around 725,000 human lives every single year. That's more than sharks, snakes, and lions combined, and multiplied by 100. But how can something so small be so lethal? Well, it's not the mosquito itself that kills you. It's what it carries. These insects are like tiny flying syringes, spreading some of the most dangerous diseases known to humanity. When a mosquito bites you, it can transmit deadly viruses and parasites that cause diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika, and yellow fever. Here's what makes it even scarier. There's basically nowhere to hide. Mosquitoes exist on every continent except Antarctica. And they don't care if you're rich or poor, young or old. One simple bite, that's all it takes to potentially contract a life-threatening illness. So next time you hear that annoying buzz around your ear at night, remember, you're not just dealing with a pesky insect. You're face-to-face with the world's deadliest animal. Pretty wild how something so small can have such a massive impact on human life, isn't it?
2. Human skills. Millions war, murder, environmental destruction. Why it's dangerous. The only species that kills for power, profit, and ideology. Responsible for mass extinction of other species. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a thought-provoking topic. Humans. Specifically, we'll be focusing on the idea of two humans. Did you know that humans are the only species on Earth that kills for power, profit, and ideology? That's right. We're the only ones who have the capacity to destroy entire ecosystems, wipe out other species, and even engage in war and murder. It's truly a unique trait that sets us apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. Now, this isn't to say that humans are inherently bad. We have the potential to do incredible things, like build amazing structures, create beautiful art, and even explore the universe. But it's important to recognize that our ability to destroy is just as powerful as our ability to create. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's keep the conversation going.
Inland taipan fierce snake. Meet the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. And trust me, it lives up to that name. This unassuming serpent, native to the remote regions of Central Australia, holds a bone-chilling title, the most venomous snake in the entire world. Picture this. A single bite from this creature contains enough venom to kill 100 people. That's not just a statistic, that's a testament to its deadly evolution. What makes it even more terrifying is the speed at which its venom works. Without immediate medical attention and anti-venom, death can occur in less than an hour. But here's the fascinating twist. Despite being the world's deadliest snake, the inland taipan is surprisingly shy and reclusive. It actively avoids human contact, preferring to stay hidden in the cracks and crevices of its desert home. It's nature's perfect paradox. The most lethal snake is also one of the least likely to attack humans. So, while we might fear the sight of a cobra or a rattlesnake, it's this quiet assassin of the outback that truly deserves our respect and caution. Sometimes the deadliest things come in the most unexpected packages.
4. Saltwater crocodile. Length, up to 23 feet. Why it's dangerous. Extremely aggressive and territorial. Known to attack boats and humans unprovoked. Today, we're diving into the world of the mighty saltwater crocodile. The largest of all living reptiles. Did you know that these majestic creatures can grow up to an astonishing 23 feet in length? That's longer than a school bus. But size isn't the only thing that makes the saltwater crocodile so impressive. These reptiles are known for their extreme aggression and territorial behavior. They're not afraid to attack boats and humans unprovoked, making them one of the most dangerous creatures on the planet. So, the next time you're in the water, be sure to keep your distance from these incredible creatures.
5. African elephant. Picture this. A massive creature weighing as much as 3 SUVs combined, standing tall in the African savanna. That's the African elephant for you, tipping the scales at a staggering 14,000 pounds. But don't let their plant-based diet fool you into thinking they're gentle giants. These magnificent creatures, while incredibly intelligent and social, are also one of nature's most formidable forces. Every year, over 500 people lose their lives to elephant encounters, a sobering reminder of their raw power and territorial instincts. You might wonder, how can a herbivore be so dangerous? Well, imagine being faced with an animal that can flip a car like it's a toy. When African elephants feel threatened or their young are in danger, they transform from peaceful grazers into unstoppable forces of nature. Their powerful trunks, massive tusks, and sheer body weight become deadly weapons. It's a perfect example of why we must respect wildlife from a safe distance. These incredible animals aren't naturally aggressive, but like any wild creature, they'll defend themselves and their families when they feel threatened. Remember, in their world, we're the visitors, and it's our responsibility to give them the space and respect they deserve.
6. Hippopotamus kills approximately 500 people per year. Why it's dangerous: extremely territorial and fast on land and in water, known to charge boats and humans. Hey everyone, welcome back to our wildlife series. Today, we're going to talk about the hippopotamus, one of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. Did you know that hippos are responsible for around 500 human deaths each year? That's right, they're one of the most dangerous animals out there. So, what makes them so dangerous? Well, hippos are extremely territorial and can be fast both on land and in water. They're known to charge boats and humans, making them a formidable foe. But let's not forget that hippos are also incredible animals, with their own unique behaviors and habits. They're important for maintaining the balance of ecosystems, and they're a symbol of strength and resilience. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting wildlife content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world around us.
Enjoying the video, correct? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Please leave your feedback, hit like, share the content.
7. Blue-ringed octopus. Venom, tetrodotoxin, 1000x stronger than cyanide. Why it is dangerous. Small and beautiful, but its bite can cause paralysis and death in minutes. No antivenom. Meet one of the ocean's most deceptive killers, the blue-ringed octopus. Don't let its small size and mesmerizing appearance fool you. Those beautiful iridescent blue rings aren't just for show. They're a warning sign that you're dealing with one of the deadliest creatures in the sea. This tiny assassin, no bigger than a golf ball, packs a punch that would make even the toughest predators think twice. Its venom, called tetrodotoxin, is 1,000 times more potent than cyanide. Just imagine that. A creature small enough to fit in your palm carries enough venom to kill 26 adult humans in minutes. What makes it truly terrifying? There's no antivenom. Once bitten, the only hope is artificial respiration until the toxin wears off. The victim remains fully conscious while their body becomes paralyzed, unable to move or even breathe. So next time you're exploring tide pools or snorkeling in the Pacific, remember, those hypnotic blue rings might be the last beautiful thing you'll ever see. Nature's warning signs are there for a reason.
8. Brazilian wandering spider venom, neurotoxin that causes paralysis. Why it's dangerous. Aggressive and often found in homes and banana shipments. Can kill a human if not treated. Today, we're going to talk about a creature that's not for the faint of heart, the Brazilian wandering spider. Now, this spider is a real charmer, known for its neurotoxin that can cause paralysis. But what makes it so dangerous? Well, it's not just its venom, but also its aggressive nature and tendency to wander into homes and even banana shipments. That's right, these spiders can be found lurking in our everyday lives. So, if you ever find yourself face to face with one of these 8-legged terrors, remember to stay calm and seek medical attention if needed. It's important to note that these spiders can be deadly if not treated properly.
9. Pufferfish, fugu, toxin, tetrodotoxin. Why it is dangerous. One wrong cut during preparation can make this Japanese delicacy deadly. There's no known antidote. Have you ever heard of a dish so dangerous that chefs need a special license just to prepare it? Meet the pufferfish, or fugu as it's known in Japan, a delicacy that literally flirts with death on your dinner plate. Inside this unassuming fish lies tetrodotoxin, a poison so potent that a single pufferfish contains enough to kill 30 adult humans. Here's the wild part. This toxin is 1-200 times more deadly than cyanide, and once it hits your system, there's no antidote. But that hasn't stopped it from becoming one of Japan's most prestigious dishes. Master chefs train for years, requiring at least 3 years of rigorous apprenticeship, and must pass an intense exam where failure isn't just about losing points. It could mean losing lives. The preparation is like a high-stakes surgical procedure. One wrong cut, one tiny mistake in removing the toxic organs, and that exquisite meal becomes your last. Yet thousands of diners every year willingly put their lives in the hands of these skilled chefs, paying hundreds of dollars for the thrill of tasting this forbidden fish. Would you dare to try it? Sometimes the finest luxuries come with the deadliest risks.
10. Assassin bug kissing bug kills. 12. 000 people per year. It's dangerous. Spreads Chagas disease, a slow killer that can lead to heart failure. Bites while you sleep. Hey there, folks. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that might make you cringe, but it's important to be aware of. We're going to discuss the 10th most dangerous insect in the world, the assassin bug, also known as the kissing bug. Now, you might be wondering, why is this bug so dangerous? Well, it's responsible for the deaths of approximately 12,000 people every year. But what makes it so deadly? It's actually the diseases it carries that pose the real threat. The assassin bug is a carrier of Chagas disease, a slow killer that can eventually lead to heart failure. And here's the scary part. It bites its victims while they're sleeping, making it even more dangerous. So, let's be cautious and aware of this creepy critter, but also remember to appreciate the amazing diversity of life on our planet. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating facts.